Singapore Airport adds camping and holiday dining deals as it reinvents itself amid coronavirus. I don't know if you knew this. This Singapore airport is very important to Singapore. A super heavily traveled airport. I mean, all airports are important, but this was like a big deal. People in Singapore travel a lot. It's a small place. So it's also famous, that airport, for that one view, that cool picture of that giant fountain, which people always think is so futuristic in the center of it. Yeah. And you walk that path with all the plants and stuff. Super cool. Apparently, passenger numbers in November were down 98% on 2019 levels. That's pretty wild. So basically, business is gone completely. And what they tried to do instead was set up these tents and have people do this glamping. That's glamorous camping. I don't know if you knew that, Will. And I guess you go there with your family, you book one of these things for like $300, and hey, you're just happy to do something other than, you're happy to have some type of leisure, I suppose, is the way that it works.
And they have space, and apparently they have forestry in there.
That's right.
You know?
Yeah, they want people back in the airport. They're trying to get the restaurants back up and running, and they're trying to do it in a safe way. So I watched, there was a little video. I don't know if you're able to find it, but there was a little video there. You may have to go to YouTube to get it. Okay. There's a little video showcasing how it all works, how you walk up to this booking desk and everyone's wearing masks. And I guess that's how they figure out how to do it in a safe manner in the presence of COVID. But I don't know, could you spend the night inside the airport, inside of a tent?
Yeah.
You would do this?
It seems like a fun little experiment. Maybe do it for like a night or two.
Well, that's all they want from you. That's all they're looking for. You stay for a night. It is interesting. The whole ceiling.
Have the family there?
The whole ceiling is windows, so you kind of feel like you're outside too, I guess. And you can see they check the temperatures on everyone when they arrive for their glamorous camping trip. A luxurious form of traditional camping. See, you catch a couple of photos. You got the hand sanitizer right in your tent.
It's almost surreal that, you know.
Yeah,
camping
well,
in this.
It's a weird combination of things. But they're looking for romance. They're looking for things to do, and they're trying to make a comeback. Rental fees range from $100 to $270, depending on which themed tent you choose. Singapore trying to make a comeback. Everybody's trying to make a comeback in 2020, including you and me. Well,
yeah,
we're trying to make a comeback. 2020. 2021. What am I talking about?
Yeah.